A black hole is a region of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, no particles or even electromagnetic radiation such as light, can escape from it. Primordial black holes are thought to have formed in the early universe, soon after the Big Bang. Stellar black holes form when the center of a very massive star collapses in upon itself. This collapse also causes a supernova, or an exploding star, that blasts part of the star into space. Astronomers believe that supermassive black holes lie at the center of virtually all large galaxies, even our own Milky Way. Astronomers can detect them by watching for their effects on nearby stars and gas. Albert Einstein first predicted the existence of black holes in 1916, with his general theory of relativity. The term black hole was coined many years later in 1967 by American astronomer John Wheeler. A black hole and its shadow have been captured in an image for the first time, a historic feat by an international network of radio telescopes called the Event Horizon Telescope. The stunning new image shows the shadow of the supermassive black hole in the center of Messier 87, M87, an elliptical galaxy some 55 million light-years from Earth. This black hole is 6.5 billion times the mass of the Sun. Catching its shadow involved 8 ground-based radio telescopes around the globe, operating together as if they were one telescope the size of our entire planet. If they come so close that they cannot escape each other's gravity, they will merge to become one bigger black hole. Such an event would be extremely violent. We hope so that you got a good information about black hole. Make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.